Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you one of my ideas to make a backdrop. First of all, we need two stands. Look, in front of you there are two stands. You can use better stand, but since I only have this on hand. And then we need to put on a fabric. Very simple, just put on the stand will be okay. The fabric may be longer than the top of the stand because we can make layer. Look. To avoid the fabric drop off, we can put a clip from the back side. Okay, this is the effect after I put on the fabric. In fact, just put the fabric like this will be better because we can make it like two layers. But since my fabric not long enough to make the layer, so for the top stand I will just put on the fabric like that. Recommend to put on the fabric like this. Okay, then let's make the flower arrangement. Okay, talking about the flower arrangement, we need to make three types. One will use to decorate the stand, will hang on the stand, so I will use this foam chain. If you don't have the foam chain, you can use a floral foam and cut it on a small piece and use a net to tie on the stand are okay also. And the next time we will make the flower arrangement and put on the floor. So I will use this one, the bow and one floral foam. And the other type of flower arrangement I will put on the pedestal. So I will use the wax or this type of bow. It will depend on the flowers quantity. So if I have enough flower, I will use this one. If I do not have enough flowers on hand, I will use the glass. Okay, now let's starting with the flower to decorate the stand. Okay, very simple. Just tie on the stand will be okay. Okay, completed. Very sturdy to tie on them. Then let's put on the flower and leaf. Use our short stem and flower head. We have long stem also. And then insert on the foam will be okay. A lot of people message to ask how to arrange the flower. Actually, I have no rule. I don't know the rule. Just insert, adjust until satisfied will be okay. There's no rule. Okay, look, completed with the flower like this. Put some flower, the color match with our fabric, so the come out will be much more pretty. Okay, now let's make the flower arrangement which will be put on the top of the stand. I use this floral foam case. If you don't have this case, you can use a net and a ball to cover the floral foam will be okay. Okay, look, completed. Then let's make other flower arrangement. Okay, let's make the flower arrangement put on the floor. We will use this leaf branch, but look at this. I do not have enough branch on hand, so maybe the come out not much full. But anyway. Okay, the flower arrangement completed. Since I do not have enough long stem and the leaf branch, so the come out not much full. I will continue to upgrade or invest more on the material in the future. But anyway, let's go ahead. And now we are going to make the flower arrangement which put on the pedestal. Compare with these two material, I finally picked this wax because if I make the flower arrangement with this stand, we do not have enough flowers. So using the wax will be better. And then I will use this leaf, put like this, cross the leaf to make it as the function of a net so that we can adjust the flower direction. Okay, all the flower arrangement were ready. Then let's put all the material together and set up the backdrop. Okay, look, this is our stand with the flower decorate here. And then we will tie this flower and put it on the top, hang it on the top of the stand. Use a string to tie them will be okay. Look, since there are a lot of holes, this here, there's a hole. So we can use the string to tie them together. Okay, so I will tie them to the stand and I will show you the effect. Okay, look, this is the effect after we tie the flower on the top. And now let's put on our pedestal. Okay, look, I put this pedestal in front of the backdrop. Look, if you are interested to this pedestal, you can click here for the old tutorial. I have a video to show you much more about detail about this pedestal. Okay, then let's put on the flowers. Okay, look, I just make these simple flowers. Simple, but very pretty. Quite enough. Just put it. Okay, let's check the effect. Look. And finally, we need to put the other flower arrangement around in front of the backdrop. Okay, look, this is the flower arrangement we make, and then we will put it there. And then let's check the effect. Okay, what do you think? Let's check it from the top and from the bottom. Now let's zoom in for the detail. Look, if we have more flower and long stem, we can make the flower, sunflower, taller. The come out will be better. Look, this is the flower around the backdrop and our pedestal. If you have enough budget to make the flower larger, the flower ball larger, the come out will be better. Or you can replace this flower with some cake and dessert. So we will take it as the dessert area. Okay, look. The flower simple but very pretty. And also this flower decorate on the backdrop. Look at this. Okay, now let's check the whole effect again. Do you like this idea? I think this idea very simple. Everything is simple and will not cost a lot. And also you can pre-make everything, and then when the event day, we just assemble and put them together will be okay. Okay, look, this is our idea. And since I have another material very suitable for this idea, so I will use it. The shimmer wall. Change to use this shimmer wall instead of the fabric. Let's check the effect. Okay, look, this is the effect after I change the shimmer wall to replace the fabric. This is the effect. Also, I put the side light in front of it because if you want your shimmer wall sparkle, you need to make something bright in front of backdrop, such as put some light on it. And if you want it much more pretty, put some light from the floor. The come out will be much more better. And also, in order to make it shine from the wing, shine with the wing, I put a fence in front of it to make some wing. So you can got a very sparkle backdrop like this. Okay, now let's zoom in and share some detail about how to install the shimmer wall. About the step-by-step tutorial about how to assemble this type of shimmer wall, you can click here for the old tutorial. Since this is our old shimmer wall panel, we are now changed to use this new type. Ignore the color, we have different colors. Just check the difference of the shade of the sequin. There are difference. This is our new type of not only the shade of the sequin, the most difference is the connector difference. So, if you are interested to watch the difference about the old type and the new type, click here for the new shimmer wall. And I will list all the links on the information field below this video. I forgot the installation. Look at that. After you assemble the shimmer wall panel, and then you can tie the shimmer wall with the string like this. With the string, tie on the stem will be okay. Or you can use the hook. Look, hook on the shimmer wall and the stand like this one. Look the hook. The detail about how to hang up the shimmer wall, you also can check the link by click here. And I will also list them on the information field below this video. Okay, this is today's tutorial. Thank you for your watching. Bye.